Productive styles of you are those with knowledge and personal resources, and those with whom you interact. That requires a mixture of assertive and responsive style. So assertive and responsive gives you, I think it's important that we need to talk and we need to clear that. As responsible parties in this discussion, we are responsible to the company and to the employees. It's always state that point. Being assertive, it has to be done and responsive. So you must be firm. That's why you don't lose step. At the same time, you're not punching the guy. You're punching the guy means you're aggressive. So you know, so how you make sure that you can be assertive, firm, communicate done. I would like to see certain deadlines. I would like to see that we discuss it again tomorrow. And I know that you're very busy. Perhaps maybe you just wake me off now. I just bring the subject matter to you. Perhaps you give me more time, we can see the date. So you're not giving up. You're just postponing the day and still come back to the person. So the alignment, you are irritant, you know, come back to you all the time. You may think that way, but you continue to be assertive. Because you think that you're responsive, you want to have a call, make sure that people needs are addressed. Sometimes line managers, I don't care because of business process. People needs are last. So this is where you got to play that part.